What is a credit card? A credit card is a card that consumers can use to purchase goods and services. If you have a credit card, you agree to pay the credit card company the full cost of the item purchased as well as any fees or interest if applicable, at a later date. A credit card is essentially a loan that allows for purchases on credit. You don't need to have cash to make the purchase. Instead, you repay the credit card company back later, along with any interest and fees. How can you get a credit card? You will need to apply for a credit card through a bank or other financial services company. This allows the lender to determine if you can repay the loan amount. Once you are approved for a credit line, you will sign an agreement which lists details such as your credit limit, purchase interest rate, and any fees. It also includes a promise to repay any money borrowed. You should know what the interest rate is and when your credit card bill due each month. Credit limit is the maximum amount a person can borrow on a credit card. Credit limit is determined in large measure by credit history and income. Credit card companies will examine these reports before giving you a credit card. What happens when you use your credit card? When you use a credit card, for example when making a purchase at a store, you are authorizing the credit card company to pay the purchase on your behalf. The promise is that you will repay the amount at a later time. A credit card account is charged every time someone uses it to purchase something. The credit card company will keep track and add all purchases to the cardholder's statement. They will then issue a bill at each billing period, which is usually every month. To avoid interest or other charges, you need to pay the full amount on or before due date. Cardholders who have not paid their monthly bill in full, and have accrued additional interest are at risk. The interest compounded over time as long as there's an unpaid balance. Your card may charge interest depending on the interest rate. Credit card holders may be charged interest for amounts borrowed beyond the due date. They will also be required to make minimum monthly payments until the balance is paid. What are the advantages and costs of using credit cards? Credit cards allow you to have quick access to money and can be used to shop in store or online. They also provide extra cash in an emergency. Credit cards may offer cash back and rewards points, as well as the opportunity to improve your credit score. The negative is they may also come with high interest rates and fees, and cause you to spend too much and take on too much debt. In summary, credit cards, if used smartly, can be very convenient and beneficial. However, be cautious and careful how you use them, and watch out for overspending. This will ensure you reap the benefits and avoid any drawbacks associated with credit cards.